Now, StormTracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Marissa Wolzen.
Well, outside right now, temperatures are on the mild side. We have plenty of clouds. It's mainly the calm before the storm, as we will see that storm move through once we get into late tonight and early tomorrow morning. You are looking at a wet commute outside tomorrow morning. But for now, again, fairly quiet. Looking at those 40s into central Oregon. In western Oregon, looking at current temperatures in the 50s. StormTracker 9 satellite radar showing some light showers moving across the area earlier this evening. But for most of us, most of this is actually not making it to the ground, and we're just keeping it cloudy outside for now. But take a look just to the west. This pretty impressive storm is brewing, and it has a cold front with it that'll move into our area once we get into, again, later tonight, expecting the rain to start close to about 4 o'clock in the morning, and pretty steady rain throughout most of the morning. And that's not it. We do have a few more systems behind that. We are looking at about 4 systems in about 72 hours, or between Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, that are going to bring us quite a bit of rain and also some gusty winds out along the coast. So taking a look at least at the next 36 hours, putting things into motion. Here comes that front, bringing us some heavy rain tomorrow morning. As we get in through the middle part of the day, we'll kind of see a lull before the next system moves on through. This one a little bit more from the south. That'll bring us some heavy rain into Douglas and Coos County, then spreading further to the north as we get into tomorrow evening. And we'll continue to keep some wet weather into tomorrow night. And then we have another system on the way as we get into Friday morning. That's going to bring us even more rain. So out along the coast, expect wet weather, temperatures near 60 degrees, so at least mild but windy. We'll see winds sustained to 40 to 45 miles per hour with some gusts close to 60 miles per hour with the strongest winds along the beaches and headlands. For those in the Umpqua Basin, also looking at the rain and a bit breezy. Winds out of the south 10 to 15 miles per hour. Could see some gusts 20 to 25 miles per hour, especially in the morning. So not as strong as out along the coast, but definitely a bit breezier than what we normally see. The Cascades not only rain into the foothills, but also across the passes. Breezy as well, especially across the passes with some gusts close to 30 miles per hour. And finally, for the Willamette Valley, rain as well. Heaviest will be in the morning. We'll see a lull for the middle part of the day before more heavier rain towards late afternoon and evening. Also breezy as well. Winds be out of the south 10 to 15, possibly some gusts close to 20 and 25 miles per hour. 7-day forecast along the coast showing the rain and the wind sticking around Friday and Saturday. Again, 4 storms within these 3 days, bringing us a good amount of rain. Out along the coast, we're looking at about 3 to 5 inches of rain during this time. Showers continue Sunday, Monday, and even into Tuesday morning with another system. For the Umpqua Basin, also looking at rain and breezy conditions through about Saturday. Over these 3 days, you're looking at about 1 to possibly up to 3 inches of rain as you get into Saturday. Finally, for the Cascades, mainly looking at rain as well. Breezy, not looking at any snow, not only across the passes or for most of the ski resorts as well. That's not going to help open Willamette Pass or Hoodoo, which still remain closed. Finally, for the Willamette Valley, expect rain and breezy conditions Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Rainfall over the next 3 days will be anywhere from about 1 to 3 inches of rain, but we have even more showers continuing to Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Also, again, looking at breezy conditions for the next 3 days. And guys, once we start getting into Friday, that's when we're going to start watching the river levels, and I am expecting some flooding, especially for the Coquille and the Marys River, but all other spots so far just expecting minor flooding. But of course, we'll keep you guys posted if there's any concern as we get into Friday and Saturday especially.
That's great. Thanks.